Not all locking plugs and outlets can be adapted to work together, even if it looks like they can. This is mainly due to wiring differences and what your specific equipment needs to work properly. One example that happens frequently is trying to adapt an L6-20 plug to work with an L5-30 outlet. While they are both 3-prong locking configurations, the L5-30 will not give the proper power that your L6-20 equipment needs. Your L6-20 plug is wired for 250 volt usage only, with 2 hots and a ground, and needs a 250 volt outlet to operate effectively. The L5-30 outlet is wired for 125 volt usage only, with a hot, neutral, and ground. You cannot adapt between the two because of this wiring difference. If your equipment requires 250 volts, then it needs a 250 volt outlet. That's that. There's no way around it. Need a custom adapter solution or have questions for your power needs? Connect with us on acworks.com or give us a call. Let us know how this video helped you in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more power tips and solutions. Thanks for watching.